The Oak Ridge National Lab campus supports a large population of carnivorous birds that stay year-round. These concentrations of predatory birds are often in plain sight around areas of the campus. Seeing these birds is a sign of a healthy environment where food is plentiful. The land surrounding the campus is heavily forested, providing a large and mostly undisturbed habitat for over 100 species of birds that make their home here. Because most of the reservation is not open to the public, bird watching and research on the ORR has been limited. Few studies have been conducted since 1954. The last publications of bird populations was done in 1997, studying breeding areas. The birds contribute to the natural campus environment by removing decaying carcasses and controlling the amount of pests in the area. The most common of these birds are the turkey vulture. They make up the bulk of the carrion birds on the campus. These New World vultures have ranged from Canada to South America. With few natural predators, it has a large presence in this region. There's also a population of hawks, eagles, barred owls, and even ospreys along the Clinch River Basin. Another prominent bird spotted at ORR is the wild turkey. Other non-predatory birds frequently seen include ducks, geese, and sparrows. Recently, the ORR has even seen unexpected visitors such as the rail purple gallinule, a native South American species. With the ever-shrinking sustainable habitat available to these majestic creatures, we should endeavor to keep these populations stable, as they provide not only a valuable service to the campus, but added beauty to our daily work environment.